back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. Today's job lead is going to be from A+E Networks. You may have heard about them. They own different channels that are on cable TV, such as Lifetime, the History Channel. They have an A&E channel that does all the true crime stuff. They are hiring an executive assistant to work remote from home. Now, one thing to know, administrative assistants and executive assistant positions do pay very well. This one is paying anywhere from $33 to $43 an hour. They are hiring in select states within the United States. We're going to dive all in. Just know the link to this page is in the YouTube description box below this video. Now, just to start off, so I don't waste anybody's time, they are only eligible to hire in certain states. These include California, Connecticut, Florida, Georgia, Illinois, Indiana, Maryland, Massachusetts, Michigan, Minnesota, Nevada, New Hampshire, New Jersey, New York, North Carolina, Oregon, South Carolina, South Dakota, Texas, West Virginia, Wisconsin, and Wyoming. So if you're in one of those states and don't mind administrative work, they're looking for an executive assistant to support both their SVP of International Programming and their EVP of Global Content Sales. So you'll be working for two different executives. You'll be facilitating and managing their daily schedules and scheduling their meetings. You're going to screen and route calls to them as necessary. You'll maintain the effective communication regarding their calendar and scheduling and changes to their calendars as well. You'll maintain alertness to potential problems to proactively try to avoid scheduling conflicts with their calendars. You're going to help create agendas and format information for their presentations and meeting communications. You'll keep any digital folders and files from meetings and clients and presentations secure and organized. You'll also be scheduling their travel and creating their travel itineraries so they know what is going on. You'll basically do clerical and support, doing file maintenance, anything like that. So it is just an all-around administrative, whatever kind of administrative work they need done. Now, one thing to note, they prefer a 4-year college education, but they take equivalent life and or work experience over that education. So only if you don't have any experience do you need a college degree. As far as experience, they're looking for somebody who has 5 or more years of some kind of administrative experience. They prefer somebody who has experience in the media or agency environment, but that is not required. They really need somebody who is a self-starter, who has well-developed skills in organization and prioritizing, following up on correspondence, being able to make decisions, great communication skills, and somebody who's going to have a positive attitude. Now, again, hourly pay for this position is anywhere from $33.15 an hour all the way up to $43.38 an hour. Of course, they do offer a standard benefit package that includes health insurance, 401k, and paid time off. All right, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.